First, we will be using Watermax Foam Cleanser to wash our face. The Watermax Foam Cleanser is clear gel. We mix it with water and create a foam. We cleanse the face. Then we will wipe our face. We'll then use the enzyme powder wash. We'll put like 1 teaspoon of water and mix it to make a foam. Apply on your face. We leave it on for 5 minutes, then wash our face off. Help you if you do this once a week. It will help you like an exfoliant. It gives a nice glow to your skin. It's deep cleansing, so it removes dead skin cells, waste and residue on the skin. It's good to use if you're using heavy makeup daily. People who use heavy makeup every day, please don't forget to double cleanse. First with an oil-based cleanser and then with a water-based cleanser, because the oil cleanser kind of breaks all the makeup and all the oil and dirt on your face. You cleanse that, and then after you just cleanse it with gel-based cleanser, just like the Watermax Foam Cleanser. So we leave it on for 5 minutes and we wash off our face. Feel my skin looks clean.